Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to overlay in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. So this is the home page where we can get started with logging into your account. So here in the upper right corner, we can get started with logging in, or if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where we can get started opening up the photo editor. So let's go ahead and open up the photo editor by clicking on it right here, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the new page where you can get started opening up the image that we want to edit. So go ahead and open up the image by selecting it from your PC. I already have my image right here, and now we can get started with overlaying and editing our image. As you can see, we will be greeted by this page where we can see the toolbar with all the options we can use, such as arrange, crop, cutout, and so on. And at the right side of the screen is going to be the layers option. So here is the layers where we can get started. If you do not see it, then it's just minimize. So you want to go ahead and maximize your layers menu right here, and now we can get started with adding new layers. So after we have added your layers, now we can get started overlaying them. So as you can see here, we can go ahead and click the three dots on our layers, and we can get started in making them either unlocked or locked, and we can go ahead and get started with showing or hiding them. So as you can see, here is how we can get started. So you want to unlock it, and after you have unlocked your layer guys, you want to go ahead and drag it over whatever you want to overlay it for. So as you can see here, we can go ahead and see what the blend mode is, and after selecting your blend mode, you can go ahead and put it over the other layer to overlay it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.